We have a bunch of things up there, right? Focus on. Everybody, pick one point out in your mind. Just pick one. Okay, pick. Fabian, you got one? Yeah. Okay. All right, Alex, go up to the front of the board. Fabian's garden. Where's he going to do this back? Fabian and Alex, or we'll pick another Wangel and Sophia? Who do you think is going to do better? Fabian and Alex, or Wangel and Sophia?
Wangel and Sophia.
Okay. Explain to him where your point is. And grab up the pen and circle. Explain to him where the point is.
It's on the top right.
Wow.
Is it not working? So it's on the top right?
Oh, yeah,
Got any of those. Now try. So top, these shorts, good explanation?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. You 100% certain that's the point?
Yes.
Okay, if I would have to bet you $1,000, would you make that bet?
No.
No, not certain? Okay, now we have that one, right? Sophia, do you want to go up and circle Wangel's point, or do you want Wangel to explain it to you? You're going to go up? Okay, you ready? What? You have your point, Wangel? You have your point? Ready? Explain to her where your point is.
In
Look at it.
bottom center,
Wangel, look at the board. Explain to her which point you have. Very simply.
bottom center,
Explain to her.
bottom center. Wait,
Oh.
oh, do I have to say the letter? Oh, oh,
Oh.
oh.
Now, Sophia, if I gave you that same deal, would you be willing to bet $1,000 that's the correct point? Yeah. But you weren't, right? What was the point of that? Ruben?
She said the letter, the point that she picked, but he just said the top right, and that can be vague.
Very good. The difference was, we have what here now? Letters.
Oh, no.
Well, the letters did what to the points? It named them, it described them. Now we know what we're talking about. Fabian said the top right. Okay, the top right meant nothing to us. But then once we start coming to the letters, we can describe them. So it's very important in geometry that you know how to name a ray. You know how to name a line segment, a plane. And we're going to use different letters to name them. So that's what we're going to start talking about today when we get into this Euclidean geometry. Stephen?
Is that a connect the dots?
No. That's just a whole bunch of dots, and now labeled, and now we have all these points that we can describe. So we can make angles. We can make line segments. So you can make an angle by connecting these. So now you have this angle, which is LHK. So we can describe that angle. So that's why we name points. And we have to be good about naming all those points. Make sense? So that's actually why in geometry, we name everything using these letters. So it's very simple for us to describe what they are. Just take one after that. Kelly, could you move up with Longford today? Steven, can you move up and sit with Justin for that? One to share. Ryan, can you move up and share? All right, so look at this. Just one to share. All right. With your partner, make some observations about some different figures. So, all right, actual. All right, with the person around you, talk about some different things that you notice about A, B, C, D, F.
This drink is
Ray because it's not so like
Excellent. I mean, that's what I was going to ask the question. Well, what's the difference between them? Well, you already said the difference.
that is a point.
They're all the same, right?
Kind of right. Oh, where it is right. Line segment. It goes on either
Lateral,
side.
right? Good.
This is an end. Line segment right. This is infinite. This is like an infinite.
This one here?
Shape it.
That's a right what it is.
You know what it is.
Don't tell me.
It's something
He says a box.
a box.
He
No.
says a box.
Yeah, it's also
He says something you can fly in.
A plane. This is called a plane. That's just barely.
Oh, I know that part.
You know it's a plane.
Not but like the actual shape.
What's the shape of the thing?
There's it.
Right, that's here.
Hey, which one are these? This one's That's cute. That's alright.
Yeah, but you don't know if it's the tire.
That's just a I think that's just one segment. It's a segment and a right.
But what we know is that this is the plane.
Oh, this is not.
No.
Oh, someone's trying to kidnap you. Good idea. Just called your laptop. This is a prayer
My name is Cole.
I think this person, yeah.
This could be
Yeah?
But it also creates 46.
Yes. This is line CP, CK, and CB. Just need C point. Oh, we're gonna do that in a second. Yes.
Mr. Featherman, pardon the interruption. Could you send Ryan Sang to the main office for early dismissal, please? Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't know that.
Equilateral isosceles are all about sides, so right angle is about angle. Scaling.
That's a right angle.
Well, guys, now, real quick, let's have a class discussion about this. We all know that the first thing is a what? That's just, it's a point, right? All right, so now we're looking at a point. Well, how is A related to B, C, and D?
He's a point in every line.
So you see how there's one point in every line segment? There's 1 point?
There's at least one.
So I like that you guys said 2, but then Miles came back and said what?
There's at least one.
No, you didn't say that. That's what Roberto said. So you said there's at least
Two.
2. You said 1?
I
No,
said
you
two.
said 2?
Yeah.
In order for it to be a line, it has to have at least 2 points. If you have 2 points, you have a line. It doesn't. If you have 2 points, then you will have a line. But what's the difference between B, C, and D?
B fits 2 points.